True love shouldn't be this complicated. I would have died in your arms. I would have died in yours. Honestly, I shouldn't be singing that song because the man who collaborated with XXS went after my channel, dude. After the whole kerfuffle a couple years ago with his live performance, this man or his group have that power to really just strike down any channel that are supposedly talking bad about it. But I don't know if they watched the video. I was singing along to all his songs and complimenting his stuff. This Kanye or Ye guy, like, what the heck, dude? And I was saddened. I was saddened by that. They took down my video and they struck my channel. The best of both worlds. But anyways, the reason why I started singing that song is because we have another keycap reveal. Not only that, this one's a little bit dear to my heart because I really, really wish this XXS person did a collab with this other artist, and it kind of holds a place to my heart because during that early 2020, I was in my feelings, you know. I was in my feelings. I don't really idolize celebrities or anyone like that. Like, I just don't do that. I'm not that obsessed with anyone. But I came very close because of these two artists because it felt like they could have been something more in the future. And it just sucks that they are gone from this life or universe or lifetime currently in our universe. So their names is XXXTentacion and the other artist is Lil Bill Weeb, also known as Una Loon. And she's an Australian singer for those who don't know. But as you may know, back in the early 2010s, everyone had a little whatever, little name. Unfortunately, her aesthetic fits the whole Lil genre, the mumble rapping situation, but her voice and lyrics is angelic. Like, I hope this video goes out and, like, you know, expose her as an artist. Her story is quite captivating, but here we are, have two keycaps. I'm trying to show this properly here. But basically, I ordered custom musician keycaps from ST, and they delivered. They absolutely delivered. Essentially, you tell them what sort of album you want, and I chose these two because they sort of complement each other, and it tells you who they are exactly. I didn't want anything abstracty, but here we are. So this is XXS as probably his last debut album with all his best hits in there. We all know what happened to XXS. He had that sort of exposure. They even made a movie about him. Definitely a sad moment. But if you look at the custom keycap here, you can just tell that they kind of made like a plastic cap. Unfortunately, it's sort of deviating. It's not as clean cut. Maybe it's just me. Like at the edges there, like the picture, the way it's in there, it's slightly up. Perhaps I'm just tripping. And you can see the white banner at the bottom. It's not completely square. It's a little wobble, like a little dent there for some reason. At least the inside of the cut works, but yeah, you can tell right away it's not cut perfectly square. Maybe that's the style, maybe it is. Again, I'm just trying this whole new perspective of video capturing my stuff. And here we have Una Loon. I think her last album was probably back in 2019, if I believe. Yeah, go check out her songs. It's just her vibe and the voice is so angelic, and her aesthetic is questionable. It's so unique. It's just unfortunately she put on way too many tattoos personally. She could have done less tattoos, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, great aesthetic, great voice and everything. And unfortunately, she passed away as well. Yeah, both different stories. And I think I heard like there was some form of like collab that's supposed to happen back in I don't know. Like, I need to search this up, like 2017 or something like that. But that never happened. So I wish in another universe perhaps that they did a song to collab. Oh my god, I need to stop doing that. But yeah, I just wish these two people made a song together because I probably would have listened to that all day, every day. These two guys plus, like, I don't know, Billie Eilish. Oh man, they would have made bangers. They would have been bangers, man. And yeah, they kind of got me through life a little bit, or at least a chapter of my life during those years. And I thought just get them to custom my keyboard as a little reminder of the feelings you had to go through to sort of like, teach yourself and feel the vibes from that. But yeah, I don't have a favorite song from them because all their songs are pretty good. Specifically Una Loon, her covers for In the End is so if the new band of Linkin Park and Unalun did a collab. Oh, those two female singers. Oh my god, dude. The In the End song would have went on a whole nother level. You feel me? A whole nother level. But sorry, that's just like a meme from the whole, I forgot the comedian's name there, but it's just so funny, dude. Like, these guys, man. Obviously, I only got two because it costs money to get more if I were to do like a whole wishing of a collab together. But like, these guys plus Michael Jackson? But yeah, these guys are, I mean, I don't know what else to say, to be honest with you. Go check their music out. It's not for everyone, for sure. It's very dark. It's very eerie. But it's so unique. Her voice is so unique. I have never heard of it before. There's no one to compare her to be honest with you. And I'm not very much of a music guy, perhaps, but like, her voice is just so angelic. Like, I know that a lot of people were like, I think the closest thing is Billie Eilish, but it's not quite there. It's a whole different phenomenon. But yeah, that's all I have to say. RIP to these guys, and please leave a like and subscribe if you like this video. Till next time.
Do you know the way?
From an empty sea.
What does it even mean anymore?